Hi, I'm Deb from Deb Learning. So I am excited to finally get this, what I'd call my baby, out into the world. Over the years, I have developed different skills. I'm a registered nurse who has practiced in aged care, disability care, pediatric care, and also as an educator. So over the years, as an educator, I have gained the skills on how to deliver engaging and diverse education to different groups of people, from the cult communities to the graduate nurses, and also to students at TAFE or in other colleges, RTOs. So I am excited that finally I've put together this as something of my own, which I would want to see a result of. And that's how Deb Learning was born. And with that, I would also want to introduce the fact that I'm a type 1 diabetic, so I do have that lived experience in teaching diabetes. And I've got a graduate certificate in diabetes education and management. So I do hope that I'll be able to provide that expertise knowledge around diabetes education. So I've developed different materials, which include ebooks, templates, courses, and also some memberships where you can actually view our blogs and also get in there and get into different courses. So you can either access these services through a subscription, or also you could actually have a one-off payment where you could possibly just pay off a one-off, get into the course. For example, you can get into the medication management course for only $68 for the theory part of it, and the practical is $109 per person, which can be delivered wherever you are. So I can come all the way to Bunbury, for example, and maybe Geraldton if there is a group of people, but I'm based in Perth. And also, if you do require online services, online face-to-face, some of the sessions can be delivered via online sessions like Zoom or Teams. I do hope you will be able to find my resources resourceful, and also I'm open to questions at any point. If you do have questions about some of the resources we have, or if you've got an online platform already that needs to be revamped, I can provide that for you, because with my services as an instructional designer, that's my other little skill I've got as well. I've done a digital learning and design postgraduate degree, so which has given me the confidence to learn more of the online component of things, so I can develop and also improve the online version of the LMS system you've got, or the courses you have, if you want them to be changed or improved or start afresh, or have an online platform for your employees. So please do get in touch. My number is attached. It's 0488 355 863, and also maybe just search for me on Google. It's Deb Learning or Deborah Shikura. Somehow, somewhere in there, you will be able to find me. So I do hope I'll be able to work with you, and thank you for joining me and for listening to this part. Thank you.